Question 20 on 2018 HSC paper was an interesting one. This is a band 5, 6 type question because it tries to confuse you, as you've probably recognised. So this one here, first and foremost, both question 19 and question 20 that you've asked do refer to old syllabus. So we spend a lot of time, there was a whole dot point on homeostasis and a whole dot point on enantiostasis. This one here, a whole dot point on this, which we went through in the old syllabus, which is not the case for our new syllabus. So that's why be careful on reviewing any HSC 2018 and before, because the dot points in the syllabus was written quite differently, and the things that they focus on, including enantiostasis, is actually not what we are focusing on in our new syllabi. So just be careful of that. But hey, this is a good question anyway. So first, enantiostasis versus homeostasis. So homeostatic control, which we have spent a lot of time on, refers to maintaining a stable internal environment from controls that you have in your body, and negative feedback, etc., and positive negative feedback, for salt concentrations, pH in your blood, all the components, all the factors of your body, and maintaining that in a stable range. Enantiostasis refers to the ability physiologically to try and maintain your internal body systems. So the key word is physiological functions within that organism. So for this question, to figure that out, we have to actually, the answer to really hit home what most students did not see, which made this a difficult question, didn't see in the HSC, was half the answer is up here and half the answer is using the graph. So where it says maintains both X and Y maintain physiological function from there to there. So no matter where they go along, both X and Y, doesn't matter what you interpret this to be, and physiological functioning is maintained, both organisms, no matter where you go along that x-axis. What does that mean? Well, maintaining physiological functions means enantiostasis. This. So, do both of these therefore exhibit enantiostasis? Yes, they do, because it actually says that, maintains physiological functions. So therefore, C, but not in enantiostasis, and D, but not in enantiostasis, is actually incorrect, because it already says X and Y maintains that. So remove C and D, and you're left with A or B. Which is which? Here, now we can look at the graph. Does Y have homeostatic control of their internal organs? Well, definitely not, because as you go into seawater, Y salt concentrations increase. So no matter, even if you just focus on homeostatic control, Y does not have homeostatic control. So therefore, that says that it does, which it doesn't, so B is also wrong. So the correct answer is 20A. Key bit there was you needed to really read that part of the question very well to make it an easy question. If you just went straight for the graph and tried to figure it out that way, gee, it got quite confusing. I hope that helped.